FRO OUT.
3000 BC, in ancient Babylon, located in Mesopotamia, modern Iraq, a blue-flowered herbaceous plant known as flax was cultivated, or so say the archaeologists. Today, flax is grown primarily for textile fiber and for flaxseed. Now let's turn our attention to the benefits of flaxseed in hair. Flaxseed slows down or even prevents alopecia and other types of hair loss. Flaxseed ligands has shown to prevent the production of the enzyme which helps to speed up the rate of a reaction. It's a protein that aids in converting hormone testosterone to hormone DHT. If this conversion from testosterone to DHT occurs, you can expect hair loss. So, flaxseed plays a big role in that. 2. The fatty oils from the flaxseed can help to increase oil production from the sebaceous glands, which means the scalp may begin to produce more body oils, crucial for proper skin health and for hair growing strong. Just add a little salt to the flaxseed for taste, consume, and you'll thank me later. 3. Flaxseed is also used to make hair products such as the one that we are going to make today, and for oils for the purpose of moisture, for frizz-free hair, and also for sheen. So let's begin. So I'm gonna start by turning on the flame. I already have 1 cup of water on the stove already, and now I'm gonna throw in the other cup. Then I'm gonna throw in the flaxseed, and then I'm going to throw in the aloe vera blend. I'm gonna cover up the pot and I'm gonna leave that for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back after the 5 minutes and stir.